Hey guys, so I will be cooking chicken adobo. Here's are my ingredients: soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper, olive oil, ginger, bay leaves, and garlic. And of course, water. So now I'll go ahead and start. Okay. First thing first, I'm gonna use olive oil. So once you know the oil is hot, we'll go ahead and put the chicken. So yeah, just like that. And now I'll go ahead and stir it. So yeah, just like that. While waiting that to cook, I'll go ahead and make a sauce for the chicken adobo. 1 cup of water. So yeah, just like that, 1 cup of water. One cup of soy sauce. So it's like everything is 1 cup, you guys. Believe me, it's gonna be very delicious, you guys. Yep, just like that, 1 cup of soy sauce. And of course, 1 cup of vinegar. Smell good, you guys. So I'll just go ahead and stir it, because I want to make sure they're all turned brown before I put the sauce. So now I'll go ahead and put the sauce. Very easy, you guys, very easy. And now of course, I'll go ahead and put the bay leaves, ginger, and garlic. And add black pepper. And now let it cook, like maybe leave it for maybe 40 to 45 minutes. And there you go, you guys, it's almost done. Looks very delicious, you guys. So I'll give that maybe 10 more minutes. There you go, you guys, looks good. And it's done. I hope you guys like my recipe. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.